Hi there. This week's weekly, April 13th, is Greta Thunberg. This is the simplified version.
News to you. April 13th, 2020. Greta Thunberg and Earth. People celebrate protecting Earth on Earth Day. Earth Day is April 22nd.
So Earth Day is coming up after this week. It's very soon. And people like to celebrate protecting the Earth.
Greta Thunberg wants to protect Earth. Greta was born in Sweden. She has autism.
So Greta was born in Sweden. She has autism and she wants to protect the Earth.
Greta gives speeches about climate change. Climate is the usual weather in a place. Climate change could be dangerous for Earth.
So climate is the usual weather that we have, and climate change can be dangerous for our Earth.
Greta Thunberg has ideas to protect Earth. She thinks everyone can help. Protecting Earth is important to Greta.
So she wants everybody to help save and protect the Earth. It's very important. So our recipe this week, if you have it at home, you're more than welcome to make it and send us your thoughts on it if you liked it or didn't like it. Knock, knock. Who's there? Place who? Place protect the Earth. So make sure you download the PowerPoint for the weekly on Canvas, the week of 4/13, and do the slides that are assigned to you. Have a great day.